I just wanted to give a little introduction to the bay that I keep Mildred Rose in. Um, Basically, like I said in the other video, it's about 50 feet long. I want to say 20 feet wide. Um, and the boat fits in there comfortably. It only has a 10-foot beam, so fits in here nicely, as well as our Hiroshoff dinghy, which I am currently working on as well. But basically the bay, I have a couple workbenches here, computer, I do have Wi-Fi, my Harbor Freight toolbox, and some sketchy staging. So I have some 2x8s with a stiffener of plywood as my planks and some A-frame style ladders and a previous set of stairs that the previous renter left. Have some more shelves for all the boat supplies and stuff on the boat. And again, another shot of my planking. And then I do have a small ramp for the stern and some more shelving back there. As you can see, all the debris from scraping the varnish. I mean, the varnish was crazy thick, so it needed to be replaced. And there's the mast. And then we have a mizzen mast up there as well. And that mizzen mast is not being used, but it was born as a yawl. So, and this fall I did have the forestay replaced in the roller furler, so I had New England rigging come down and replace that. And here's the boat after the varnish was removed. Today I'm going to sand it, and I'll make another video on sanding it. So, but that's the tour of the bay. And it does have a roll-up door as well, so I can get the boat in and out. So, but it's nice having a computer with Wi-Fi so I can order parts and stuff in my work area, which is obviously a mess, and it's always a mess. So that's the bay. You have some extra ladders over there, and again, the staging does go all the way around. So, yeah, if you have any questions, comments, feel free to leave them, and I'll see you on the next video.